Hi fellow AS warriors, I thought I'd like to try and spend a few minutes showing you this machine running, connecting it to the incredible piece of software that is Spooky 2. Here's a computer. Well, I suppose I'd better give you a look round first. There's the power brick that's feeding the computer, the laptop. If you've read the PDF, which I'm sure you have, here's the all-important signal generator that's taking this program and bringing it into the outside world. It's connected to the laptop via this USB cable, and likewise the other end. From the signal generator there's this BNC coupling. There's a few channels. I'm using channel 2 by chance, could be using channel 1, makes no difference. That in turn is driving the Darlington pair, so relieving any strain off the signal generator. There is an auxiliary power supply to this, for which I'm using this battery charger. The lamp actually uses very little. It doesn't even register on that amp meter. Okay, let me show you a few frequencies that are very important to me, and I guess any other AS sufferer. And the first one, and this is the one that got me out of trouble and effectively gave me a life back. And you see I put in there calcification. It actually should be decalcification. And there's a frequency set to it, and you'll see it's 326. That happens to be the frequency that the clinic used in Germany, and you'll see it's only for 3 minutes duration. You can actually down here set the program to do repeat frequencies, or extend that, or basically do what you want with it. It's the idea is this huge program puts you in control of that generator, which in turn is driving that lamp. So let's set this off. I'll pick calcification. You see it's moved into the pending. We'll go over to the control, and there's our generator, and here you see is overwrite generator. Just to explain that a little bit, that signal generator is quite capable of doing some complex work all by itself, standing alone. But in this instance, I want the huge program that's on this laptop to drive the generator. Let's start it so you can see what happens. There it is, and we'll start it. And the light comes on, and you can perhaps hear it oscillating at that frequency. I love this frequency. It's the one that got me out of desperate trouble. Just let me stop that and I'll show you something else. Stop. We'll wipe it out. Go back to programs, and I'll put in our Nemesis. Anki. Losing. I bet you wish you'd never heard of that word. It's searching for it. And here we have the set of frequencies specific to our condition. So we'll load that. It gives you the synopsis. We'll go back to control. Again, we want the computer to drive the situation. Here's a set of frequencies lined up to do the business. You can presumably hear and feel that light. Just for your interest, we'll scan through these frequencies and find a pretty low one. 100 is too fast. 2.5. I dare say you can see the computer and the signal generator is in absolute control of the frequency of the lamp. Moving up to higher frequencies, of course, it's far too high for your eyes to detect because of persistence of vision, but you can maybe hear the frequency. I'm not very good at videos, but I hope you people found that interesting. Thank you for your time.